Today my topic is proteins. It serves as basis for structural and functional unit of life, essential for growth and protection of body. The word protein derived from Greek word proteos, that means first, means primary or fundamental. They are the organic compound contain carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur and phosphorus in very little amount. Sulfur and phosphorus is present in very minute amount. The term given by the Mulder in 1839, the alpha amino acid having high molecular mass linked with peptide bond, that is CONH, are protein, and protein is also called as amino acid amides. The composition of protein are: it contains carbon 50 to 53%, hydrogen 6 to 7%, oxygen 23 to 25%, nitrogen 16 to 17%, sulfur 1%, phosphorus is the nucleoprotein, iodine is the thyroid protein, Fe is the hemoglobin. Your hemoglobin is the type of protein. Now sources, it has two types, animal protein and plant protein. We get animal protein from milk, egg, cheese, meat, fish, and plant protein from beans, that is kidney beans, soya bean, fruits and green vegetable. Now classification is also have two types, basis of chemical composition and basis of molecular structure. Now structure of protein, it is of four types: primary and secondary, tertiary, quaternary. Now first we discuss primary structure. This is the primary structure of protein, where just N is bonded by NH is bonded by C carbon, and C is also bonded by this CO, and all together this is make a amide group. Now a large number of alpha amino acid bonded by polypeptide chain constituted protein, and it has a specific sequence. The primary protein have a specific sequence which shows a structure of protein. If the specific sequence of amino acid in the primary structure get changed, so the property and the function of amino acids get changed, and it is analyzed by the enzyme or acid hydrolysis. For example, in blood, normally hemoglobin molecule constituted by 574 amino acids. Our hemoglobin molecule made up of 574 types of amino acids units. If the sequence of one amino acid is changed, the molecule get defective. A person get affected with the disease named sickle cell anemia. In this disease, RBCs attained abnormal shape and sometimes even burst. So the normal hemoglobin is like this: VL, HIS, LEU, THR, PRO, GLU. GLU is glutamic acid. And defected protein, glutamic acid just replaced by valine. So this is the defected protein, and this is the person having this type of hemoglobin have sickle cell anemia. Here in hemoglobin, glutamic acid is replaced by valine. During the synthesis of protein, polypeptide chain get coiled like this due to formation of disulfide bond between cysteine. Now secondary structure. In the secondary structure, long elastic polypeptide chains are coiled to form rigid structure. Different peptide bonds and H bonds formed between this C or double bond O and NH bond and planar. It is depend upon the R alkyl group. R is alkyl group, you all know. If R is bulky, it attains alpha helical structure, or R is smaller, it attains beta plated sheet structure. Due to partial double bond character, amide, that is CONH, part of peptide bond is planar and rigid, and free rotation is not possible in the peptide chain, just like this. This is the structure, and this have restricted rotation. It is not rotate fully. So the secondary structure of protein is stabilized by H bond formed between carbonyl and imino group. So next is it is the part of secondary protein alpha helical structure. Here R is bulky, that is have large sum of number is very large. If the alkyl group R is bulky, then O atom, that is oxygen atom of CO group, forms bond between H atom of NH group. So just like this, O formed a bond between there is the bond formation between O and H, O and H. So this form is because of this bond, the structure is like a helical structure, like a DNA have a double helical structure. So it is also have helical structure because of the formation of bond between O and H. O of carbonyl group and H of amide group, amine group. So which leads the coil of polypeptide chain. This leads the coil of polypeptide chain. Such protein are flexible and stretched, but weak hydrogen bond may broken. If we stretch the protein, this type of protein, the weak bond may just broken on the stretching. The length of the helical increase like spring, and if we remove stretching, then hydrogen bond are reformed and again helical structure form. They form about 13 membered ring. It is found in myosin. Myosin is in the muscles, find down in the muscles, and keratin found in nail, hairs and wool. Now beta pleated sheet structure, in secondary structure we have second one, beta pleated sheet structure. Here R, that is alkyl group, is smaller. Now in this type of protein, two types of structure form, parallel and anti-parallel. In this alkyl group, R is smaller. Two segments of polypeptides chains get linked in disordered zigzag. This is the two peptide chain in the zigzag manner sequence. In this, oxygen of carbonyl of all amino acids form hydrogen bond with H atom of NH. It is of two types. One type in which polypeptide chain are arranged in parallel, while another type polypeptide chain arranged in anti-parallel. For example, keratin in hairs have parallel sheet, while silk protein, fibroin have anti-parallel sheet. So my question is for today, what is protein and its type? Thank you.